Microsoft OneNote is a note-taking program for free-form information gathering and multi-user collaboration. It can be easily used to share notebooks to your students or colleagues. But if you're currently looking for a way to edit a shared OneNote link using the OneNote desktop application, follow these next steps in this video tutorial. Here we have a sample shared link, and when we press enter, this will prompt you to OneNote Online. Click on Edit Notebook option beside Print, located on the top right of the page. Once clicked, you would be given two options: to edit it in the Microsoft OneNote desktop application or edit it in browser. You should choose Edit in Microsoft OneNote desktop application. Then click on Continue, and you will be prompted to OneDrive with the shared note. And with that, you can now edit the file in the Microsoft OneNote desktop application. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.